Hey there guys, it's your girl Cheryl, and today I'm going to show you how to curl your long weave, wig, or hair using a flat iron. It is very simple. I myself am not a hairstylist whatsoever, so if I can do it, I'm pretty sure you guys can do it. So today I'm using a wig from the Muse Deluxe hair collection, and this hair was colored for me by Mimi Styles in multiple colors: pink, turquoise, silvers, lilacs, and however. So the first step, you want to make sure that you comb your hair or wigs thoroughly. You want to make sure that you don't have any tangles. You want a nice smooth curl, so it's important to comb thoroughly. After combing and sectioning the hair off in the direction I want it to fall when I wear it, I'm going to section it off in about 4 to 5 sections, just to kind of keep it neat. I usually use metal hair clips, but unfortunately I can't find them, so I'm just using some plain old rubber bands. I really don't like using them because it pulls on the hair. So now we got that all sectioned off. As you can see, that first curl I did already. Sorry, my wig stander is broken. So what I do is I section one piece of hair off a strip, a smaller section, and I straighten it first so I can have a nice smooth curl. Make sure it's nice and straight. I take my flat iron, and about a third of the way into my section, I turn it a complete 360 degrees. I take that piece of hair on the end and flip it over and just pull. I'm kind of stretching the curl because I want a loose curl. I'm going to comb it out at the end so I can have a body wave. But if you want the curl tighter, just turn that 360, the flat iron, one more time in the middle of the section. I'll show you again what I mean. And also, I use my flat iron as an indicator on if I have too much hair or not enough hair. Here you see I will take out too much hair, and you'll notice that it'll spill out on the flat iron. You really don't want that. Okay, so here I am combing the hair, making sure it's nice and straight. And here I go with my flat iron, and as you can see, that's too much hair. Okay, because it's falling out the side. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish straightening while I have it. But we're going to section some of that hair off out of there. We want our strips, it's very important for it to be one consistent size, so our hair will look nice and neat. Okay, so we get some of that hair off. And here I go. I take my flat iron, I turn it 360 degrees completely. I take that strip of hair, I flip it over, and I just gently pull. Now I can turn it again here if I want it to be curlier. Okay, but this curl is a little looser than what I planned, so I'm just going to go right back in that middle section, do the 360 degrees, flip that piece of hair over, and just pull. Not tug, but pull. And there we go. Nice bouncy curl. Very simple. Okay, so I've done it throughout the entire head, but like I said earlier, I'm going to comb the curls out because I want like a wavy, water wavy look. But the curls are nice and bouncy. It's very easy to do. They're consistent in size. Wig is slipping off. Might as well take it off so you can see it. Nice bouncy curl, simple, easy. There we go. As you can see, it's nice and curled. And we did it with flat irons. So if I can do it, you guys can definitely do it. Thank you for checking out this video. Please subscribe to our channel.